Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add travel documents to the Iberia application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, you should tap on the home button down below in the left side corner of the screen, and then click on this profile icon in the upper right corner of the screen. Tap on travel documents, which is the second section. Then tap on this plus icon, add a document down below. Then set the type of the document, and then type in the country of issue. Select or type in the document number, and lastly add the date of expiry. After selecting, tap on the save button down below to save your document, and as you can see, it will be added here. So add as many documents as you want to, just repeat the same steps. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.